On behalf of my staff, AgroSpeed, and all the volunteers, all the sponsors, and the whole committee of windsurfing, community of windsurfing of Bonaire, I'd like to welcome PWA with its staff, with TV, and also all the competitors, all the professionals. Welcome to Bonaire, and we are very, very happy to have you all here in our beautiful bay of Lac Bay competing, and thanks God we have a great wind, and we look forward for a good week this week, and may the best win, and most important, enjoying our beautiful island of Bonaire. It was not easy to put this event together, that's why it's going to be short, but I would like to make sure that you guys understand this was a big effort to put this event together, but we see this as an opportunity to expose Bonaire abroad as one of the best places in the world for windsurfing.
Bonaire itself is a shining example of how windsurfing can offer opportunities to young people, and with the right guidance and the right support, those opportunities can be translated into far more through the hard work of people like Elvis and others here who've worked with the Pro Kids event and similar. People like Tonki, Tati and Kiri now have not only found a career, but have found opportunities to travel and to enjoy themselves and see the world. So on behalf of all of the staff and the sailors of the PWA, I particularly want to thank Elvis and his team for all of their hard work, particularly Elvis for sticking with us for all these years and sticking with me for all these years as we've talked and encouraged things to make this event happen again. I want to thank all of our sponsors here this week, Telbo, MCB, and the various other numerous people who are here who've helped and put money into the event. We're very happy to be back. We've had a fantastic start to the event, and we're pretty confident we're going to have a fantastic week, so we hope you're all going to enjoy it too.
Good evening, everybody. On behalf of the public entity of Bonaire, we would love to welcome everybody to our lovely island and also our local visitors. I hope you guys will enjoy the event. Thank you to all the sponsors, and have a good event, especially to our local competitors. Best of luck and make us proud. Thank you.
Nós estamos abrindo competência de AWE para a PWA 2011 Bonaire World Cup e também nossa 17ª edição de Pro Kids Competition. Go ahead.
Bag 2% krano dijk Bonaire TS Black Bull
Mi di respect panang tak homa di lamang ang tubo batimang win kwarinang ora kuna llega ng takeda buta bra for algo in flaca. Mi di respect panang tak homa di lamang ang tubo batimang win kwarinang ora kuna llega ng takeda buta bra for algo in flaca. At aqui homi lamang surais ta história ili kwere mi país o hopi ai acaba tinda mal di fris guarda mal di skill dengo leshi bom fornis Tempo riba lamang boneriana de sacar riba por parque bela tenha tempo na ngaya imino alubida Gosan tur camina renombra Prana nasce Marta e no putra comissar Santiago na Corsol e também na Holanda
Ande aya na 70 swa
Romeo boneriano weta vista comissar Da Elvis Miller pa de Santa Sa
Taking first place, Saraki Dobria. Taking first place, Mr. Kiri today.
Di respect panang ta homa di lamang ang tubo batimang win kwarinang ora kuna llega ng takeda buta bra for algo in flaca. Mi di respect panang ta homa di lamang ang tubo batimang